Hi, I'm Ms. Carol. I work in the 3-year-old classroom at Eastlake Early Learning Academy. The education starts here. We're an early literacy program here at the Eastlake Early Learning Academy, and this is where it starts. I would describe my class as being loving.
Huh?
I love you too. Thanks for loving me. Very energetic and eager to learn.
Wow. Yes. Hi, my name is Mr. Elliott. I'm the lead teacher of the Green Frogs classroom here at the Eastlake Early Learning Academy. Wow. One more. Good job. I enjoy extremely what I do. I've been teaching about 10 years and I feed off of the natural energy of the children. So everybody join me at the carpet, please, for our wonderful story read.
It's very important that you start reading to your children at a very early age.
A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Chicka chicka, boom boom. Will there be enough room?
It's very vital as to reading to the children, because when they're sitting on the carpet and you're reading to them, it may seem like they're not listening, but they're getting in. They're like sponges. They absorb everything that you teach them.
All right, here we go. Bear, and then if I wanted to take a seat, I would sit in.
They have a blast. They have a blast. You become one of us when you enter into our classroom.